And news just coming in that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has written a letter to the people of Bihar on the last day of campaigning, and he has said that NDA's return is needed for Vikas of the state. Prime Minister's letter is important because it's coming on the last day of campaigning in the state of Bihar. 78 seats go to polls on 7th, and Prime Minister Modi has said in that letter that बिहार को अभाव से आकांक्षा की ओर ले जाना एनडीए सरकार की बहुत बड़ी उपलब्धि है. He has talked about the work that has been done by the NDA government. He says एनडीए ने बिहार में बिजली, पानी, सड़क, इलाज, शिक्षा, कानून व्यवस्था हर क्षेत्र में बहुत काम किया है. हर घर में पक्का, हर गरीब को पक्का घर देना हो, घर घर शौचालय बनाना हो, घरों में नल से जल देना, बिजली पहुंचाना, गैस कनेक्शन, हर गरीब को बैंक अकाउंट से जोड़ना, ये सब बिहार वासियों के वोट की ताकत से ही संभव हो पाया है. Then he goes on to talk about how the women in Bihar have, benefited from the schemes of the center and the state of Bihar. And then he says that only way that the state could progress if the state of Bihar votes for NDA. साथियों, बिहार में वोट पड़ रहा है जात पात पर नहीं, विकास पर, झूठे वादों पर नहीं, पक्के इरादों पर, कुशासन पर नहीं, सुशासन पर, भ्रष्टाचार पर नहीं, ईमानदारी पर. Prabhakar is joining us live. Prabhakar, a very, very powerful letter being written by the Prime Minister there, reaching out to the people of Bihar on the last day of campaigning, even as it's coming minutes after Nitish Kumar said that this is his last election.
Yeah, very, very significant and very important development, both of them rather. In fact, Nitish Kumar's statement that this would be his last election or इसके बाद मैं चुनाव नहीं लड़ूंगा is something very significant. So he is there appealing to voters that this would be his last election, and that actually would kind of create a sympathy wave for him. That is why he has done it. But we all fail to understand as to if this was the announcement he had to make, why did not he choose to make it during the first or the second phase? Why did he choose the third phase only to make this announcement? If at all it would benefit him, it would have benefited him more had he done it in the first phase. And now here comes the Prime Minister's letter to the Bihar. If you read the context of the letter, the entire points which he has mentioned in the letter, it basically is the agenda of NDA out here. If you see the BJP's agenda, if you see the JDU's agenda, his Prime Minister here is talking about development, he's talking about a corruption-free government, he's talking about the Nal Jal Yojana. So all the programs which Nitish Kumar's government has done in the last 15 years, that is jotted down here, and also the programs which would be part of his tenure in from 20 to 25, if at all he is voted to power. So that is basically the agenda of the
and he says Nitish ji की सरकार जरूरी है. मुझे विश्वास है डबल इंजन की ताकत इस दशक में बिहार को विकास की नई ऊंचाइयों पर पहुंचाएगी. That is the message coming from the Prime Minister as the campaigning for Bihar elections comes to an end. That's all from me. Thanks so much for watching.